Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a Fitbit Sense smartwatch. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is my Fitbit Sense smartwatch, and I'm going to be going over a tutorial on how to use it. This will go over the basics. There are some more advanced things that you can learn about, but this will go over the basics to get you started. So first and foremost, we have a band on here. I'm going to show you how to put the watch on your wrist. I know this seems like basic knowledge, but you know, some people might want to see this. So you want to go ahead and put the watch around your wrist. Take this end right here. You want to slide it through your first loop that you see there. And I'm trying to do this on camera, so excuse me if it seems like it's difficult, but it's really easy. I'm just trying to do this in front of the camera. Once you slid it through the first loop, you're going to go ahead and you're going to clip it into this little notch over here, wherever it makes sense for your wrist size. So I'm going to clip it right about there. So I clipped it into the notch. Then you can slide this into your second loop optionally. I wouldn't recommend leaving it out like that. You want to, like I said, it's optional, but I would recommend that you slide it into your second loop right over there. Like I said, trying to do this on camera, so just, it looks a little bit difficult, but it's really, really easy. Okay, that's it. It's how you put it on. So I'm going to take it off for the rest of the video tutorial. So essentially, there's a button to press on the side here, which is not an actual button. It just looks like a button right there, okay? When you push it, you're going to feel a little vibration, okay? And then there's a screen to swipe. It's a touch screen, so you can swipe it, okay? So essentially, your clock is your home screen. So when you see this clock right here, this is your home screen, okay? And you can actually change the watch face, but I'll go over that in another video. From your home screen right here, from your clock screen, you can actually swipe down to get your notifications. Notification center, you're all caught up, as you can see right there. Okay, I'm all caught up, no new notifications. And then I can swipe back up to get back to the clock, okay? I can actually swipe up to get to my widgets, and here are all my widgets that I've chosen, right? I can swipe back down to go back to the clock, so the opposite way to go back to the home screen. I can swipe left to get to the apps, and then from here I can look through the various apps, okay? And then swipe opposite way to go back to the home screen, okay? And then I can swipe right to get to my quick settings. These are my quick settings, and then swipe the opposite way to get back to the home screen. Very simple, okay? Really, really cool. Now, also, if you're in an app, you can actually swipe right to go back to the previous screen. So let's say I'm in an app and I'm, 5 screens deep in that app. I can just swipe right to go back to the previous screen, okay? Wherever you are, okay, let's start this back up. Let's say, I'm in EDA scan. So I want to do an EDA scan, let's say, right? Wherever you are, I can press the button to go back to the home screen, the clock screen. So I'm going to push this button, and it's always going to take me back to the clock screen for the most part, right? So, which is like the home screen, I'm calling it. So you can always push the button to go back. Very simple. Now, there are also these shortcut for the button on the side. So you can press and hold the button down for 2 seconds, and you can assign something that will be associated with that press and hold down. So I'm going to turn it back on. I'm going to press and hold this down for 2 seconds. And as you can see, I can select an app that will be assigned to that. I'm not going to do that right now, but you can choose whichever app you want to be associated with that press and hold down for 2 seconds. In addition, you can double click that side button and it will bring up 4 apps, one in each corner of the watch face. And you can customize which apps pop up, okay? So if I go ahead and I press it twice quickly, it brings up 4 apps, and I can customize whichever apps I want to be there. Right? That is essentially it, okay? That is how to use a Fitbit Sense smartwatch, advanced health watch, in its basic functionality. You can go more advanced, like I said, but in terms of basically how to use it, those are the basics. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.